Okay, so this is image manipulation. This is my homepage. Um, it just describes what I'm going to be talking about on the website and has my name and Banger username with a nice picture. Then we go on to unrealistic manipulation, mainly focusing on how images are manipulated in a way that is unrealistic. So properly focusing on unrealistic body standards and the way the media creates unrealistic images of people in general, but this one mainly focuses on women. Then we go on to fake news and the way images can be manipulated to tell a different story. So in one of the pictures, you can see there's like Stalin, and he basically photoshopped out one of the guys, as you can see, which he fell out with for some reason. And it talks about some of the history and the way it's being used now. So, like by Donald Trump, and one of them being Obama. Then we go on to originality of images. So in this one, it focuses on the way originality is used, like so copyright references Disney, and then there is how can we tell an image is an original, but in this day and age we usually can't. And then there's a nice little YouTube video for the person to watch. And then finally, the annotated bibliography, which just has all of the references and bibliography stuff and notes that I made. Okay, thank you.